5 Minutes Information channel, and this is episode number 52. And in this episode, I will talk about the reference service, digital reference services, and types of digital reference service. Before going to the video lecture, I just want to mention you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned below, link in the video description. In this video, I will talk about the three main points. Number one, what is reference service? Number two, what is digital reference services? And number three, what are the types of digital reference services? And question number one, what is reference service? Reference services, sometimes referred as a reference and information services or reader services, has been defined as a personal assistant provided to user in the pursuit of information. As distinguished from the library activities or services, reference service is characterized by higher degree of personal interaction between the library staff and library user. Now, the point number two. What is the digital reference service? Digital reference service is a service provided by the library. Online digital reference transaction is a computer-mediated or communication between the user and librarian. The terms of digital reference services, sometimes referred as a virtual reference services, e-reference services. The point number three, what are the types of digital reference services? There are two main types of the digital reference services. Number one, synchronized reference services. Number two, asynchronized reference services. Now, first I discuss the synchronized reference services and its type. Synchronized reference service is a mode of service where user and patron communicate in a real-time response without physical existence with any digital tools like personal computer, tablets, laptop, or smartphones. Reference chat, instant messaging, voice over internet protocol, video conferencing are the different methods for the synchronized reference services. Synchronized reference services is referred as a real-time reference services, and it's a dynamic reference services, and are no time delay in synchronized reference services. The mode of synchronized reference services. Number one, reference robot or chatbot. Number two, instant messaging. Number three, voice over internet protocol. Number four, video conference. Point number one, reference robot or chatbot. It is an artificial intelligence based service and is used to respond the question during the unavailability of reference librarian. Ask Jeeva's, Alexa, Siri, IBM Watson are the example of the reference robot. Number two, chatbot. Instant messaging or online chat is one of the most common forms of web communication via different messenger applications. Voice over internet protocol can be used by reference librarian to talk the user and hear them to connect while locating the resources. Online forums like WhatsApp, Skype, Line and other application software support by the library user to contact with the librarian. Number four, video conferencing. Video conferencing is a visual communication between the library user and librarian. It is a beyond from regardless your location, featuring of audio video content transmission is a real-time librarian provide, and that type of service librarian provide via Zoom, Google Class, Skype, Microsoft Teams, and etc. Asynchronized reference service is a mode of service where user and librarian communicate in a time delay response without physical existence with any digital tools like desktop computer, tablets, laptop, or smartphone. The mode of synchronized reference services are: number one, email; number two, ask librarian; number three, web forms; number four, FAQs, frequently asked questions. are the different techniques of synchronized reference services. Number one, email. Email services are a very common way to connect with the librarian and library team. It is a very low cost and effectively, but service provided with the time delay. Number two, Ask Librarian, one of the popular segment of the digital reference services. Librarian are available to answer the library pattern where user drop the question and librarian send answer to the reference question. Number three, web forms. Web forms are also types of the synchronized reference services. Library design web form where user can ask the query, librarian answer the queries. Number four, FAQs. Few library design the frequently asked question segment where user can ask the reference related question and reference librarian responds to these FAQs. I hope this episode covered the reference and digital reference services as well as the synchronized reference services and synchronized reference services. Now, here I conclude the episode number 52. So, stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information channel and don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. We will back soon with the another informative source. Thanks for watching till the end.